The board meeting was here in Jakarta.
Went to Bandung. We
Yes.
saw Biopharma.
Presiden Prabowo menerima kunjungan Ketua Dewan GAVI, Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, Jose Manuel Barroso, dan CEO GAVI, Dr. Sania Nistar, di Istana Merdeka. Dalam pertemuan tersebut, Presiden Prabowo mengapresiasi kontribusi besar GAVI dalam mendukung Indonesia, terutama selama pandemi COVID-19. Membantu langsung, gratis 110,3 juta dosis vaksin, senilai 684,6 juta dolar, dan perlengkapan cold chain equipment, dan juga bantuan-bantuan biaya lainnya, yang hampir berjumlah 1 miliar dolar. Prabowo juga menjelaskan bahwa GAVI menekankan pentingnya kesiapsiagaan terhadap ancaman pandemi di masa depan, seperti diketahui, saat ini wabah Mpox sedang terjadi di Afrika. Prabowo merasa ingin ikut juga bantu GAVI dalam pekerjaan selanjutnya, dan sudah siap untuk menyumbang 30 juta dolar. Sementara itu, Ketua Dewan GAVI, Jose Manuel Barroso, mengucapkan terima kasih atas sambutan dan penghormatan yang diberikan oleh Presiden Prabowo. Barroso turut memuji kontribusi Indonesia dalam kesehatan global.
Excellency, thank you very much. Thank you. Please. When did you arrive? Thank you. Thank you. Because you are very famous. I follow your career. The board meeting was here in Jakarta.
Went to Bandung. We
Yes.
saw Biopharma.
Yes.
The great
Sunan. Yes.
President of the Commission.
Yeah.
And afterwards I became President of the Commission as well. But afterwards we had 3 days of meeting in Bali. And we came yesterday evening.
Selamat sore, saudara-saudara dari media dan dimanapun saudara berada. Hari ini saya dapat kehormatan menerima yang mulia Bapak Jose Manuel Barroso. Beliau adalah ketua Dewan dari GAVI. GAVI adalah Global Alliance for Vaccine. GAVI ini telah membantu Indonesia sampai hari ini, terutama waktu pandemi COVID, telah membantu langsung gratis 110,3 juta dosis vaksin senilai 684,6 juta dolar Amerika dan perlengkapan cold chain equipment dan juga bantuan-bantuan biaya lainnya yang hampir berjumlah 1 miliar dolar Amerika. Kemudian dukungan ini berjalan terus sampai hari ini dan beliau datang bersama Dr. Sania Nistar yang sekarang adalah CEO, Direktur Utama dari GAVI sejak tahun 2004 sampai sekarang. Jadi kunjungan ini saya anggap sangat penting. Kita lakukan pembicaraan mendalam. Beliau memberi juga peringatan, kita tidak boleh lengah karena kemungkinan terjadi pandemi bisa sewaktu-waktu. Di Afrika sekarang ada juga masih wabah yang disebut Mpox, kita tetap harus waspada. Jadi kesempatan di sini saya ucapkan terima kasih atas nama pemerintah dan rakyat Indonesia atas bantuan Gavi. Gavi sangat berjasa dalam upaya kemanusiaan seluruh dunia. Mereka sudah menyelamatkan nyawa lebih dari 1 miliar anak-anak, termasuk yang di Indonesia. So, Your Excellency, I briefly make the statement that today the Indonesian government, I myself as the President of the Republic of Indonesia, had the honor of receiving you, the Chairman of the Board and the CEO, and your CEO of Gavi. On behalf of the Indonesian people, I would like to thank Gavi, thank your leadership and the leadership of your CEO for your commitment to continue this great humanitarian task, to thank you for the effectiveness of your aid, your help, and to assure you that we will not forget the role of Gavi. And now we feel that we have to take part with you in this global alliance, although perhaps our capacity will be not so big, but we want to show our commitment. So I just announced to you that we are committed to join your alliance and to take part with our donation of $30 million to this global alliance. Tadi juga saudara-saudara saya menyampaikan bahwa sebagai rasa terima kasih atas dukungan bantuan Gavi, kita sekarang yang sudah pulih, kita sekarang merasa ingin ikut juga bantu Gavi dalam pekerjaan selanjutnya, dan kita sudah siap untuk menyumbang 30 juta dolar Amerika. Once again, thank you very much, Your Excellency, and you are always welcome in Indonesia, and please pass on our best, highest consideration and regards to your colleagues in the leadership of Gavi. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, President Prabowo Subianto, Minister of Health, Mr. Budi, Secretary of the Cabinet, Teddy. Your Excellency, Mr. President, thank you, first of all, for the honor that you are giving me and my colleague, CEO of Gavi, Dr. Sani Nishtar, to be with you at this occasion. Thank you for receiving us. Let me, first of all, congratulate President Prabowo for his inauguration on the 20th of October. So it's a great honor, such a short period after the inauguration of President of the Republic of Indonesia, that I'm received here as Chair of the Board of Gavi. And we had the occasion to exchange about Gavi and our work. And thank you, Mr. President, for being such a great advocate of this campaign for immunization of our children, for global health security, and indeed for development. Because without immunizing children, we cannot have healthy citizens in the future. Gavi is about protecting lives. It's also about economic and social development. Thank you very much, Mr. President, for your kind words. They are really an honor for us. We had the occasion during the meeting to discuss prospects for Gavi cooperation with Indonesia. We have done it. President just presented some of the figures. I will not repeat. I just want here to reiterate that we'll continue to do that in the future. We want to remain very engaged with the government of Indonesia and the great people of this very great country that we respect so much. We are following with great attention and admiration the role of Indonesia also in the region, how it can be such a platform also for global health, including on this field of immunization, including the manufacturing of vaccines that Indonesia is also exporting. And we want to say to you, Mr. President, that we want to continue to work. And I want to use this occasion, if I may, to congratulate the President of Indonesia for his initiatives in terms of the hunger and poverty program, for his accent for social justice, and for his commitment to the children of this great country. The health of the Indonesian people is, of course, the first condition for the development, economic and social terms. So once again, Your Excellency, thank you very much for the great honor that you are giving us, and I'm sure that it's going to be a great signal for the future of Gavi and for the relationship between us and your great country.